Introducing the Vitro Espresso Duo, an automatic bean-to-cup machine featuring an interactive touchscreen display. A chrome finish gives this machine a contemporary look. Behind the display lies 3 ingredients canisters for tea, milk and chocolate, with a visible bean hopper. Preparing a drink is as simple as tapping the drink icon of your choice. Drinks are dispensed with a consistent quality. If you're looking for a sleek, modern coffee machine, the Vitro Espresso Duo is the machine for you.